continuing on, we're looking at the other side of the argument. The other guy thinks, that's a clue, thinking it's a kissing verb, a verb of knowing, sensing, or saying. Ding, 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 indirect statement coming up. Look, here's our accusative, that's the subject of the indirect statement. Ab dies immortalibus. Okay, ab plus an ablative that introduces the expectation of a passive verb or participle. So death, something's going to happen to death by the immortal gods. Let's see. Non esse supplicii causa constitutam. Oh, look, there's our passive infinitive. Esse constitutam, constitutam esse. Causa plus a genitive always means for the purpose of the genitive. So death was not constitutummed by the immortal gods for the purpose of supplicii, but rather we're continuing an indirect statement. Aut necessitatem naturae, aut laborem ac miseriarum. Look, lots of genitives there. Okay, we've got an accusative, which is weird because we're still talking about death. Oh, and now we see why, because our infinitive is a verb of being. So, mortem esse necessitatem quietem. Death is a necessary quietum of all of these genitives. Okay, I know 7.5 is a whole other sentence, but we really need to put this right after 7.4. Otherwise, you miss the amazing sarcasm that's going on. Itaque, and so eam refers to death, of course, and it's accusative. Now, the cool thing is Cicero goes on to talk about two groups of people who do something to death. Number one, sapientes, smart guys, and number two, fortes, brave guys. So, inviti is an adjective that modifies sapientes. That means they're unwilling. And then fortes just means brave guys. Adverb, and then here's the verb, appetiuerant. So this talks about if death is just a necessary quiet, a necessary end of life, then why is it that these guys do this to it? And once you get that, you too will laugh because Cicero is kind of saying Caesar's being a dork.